Data Cloud is one of the most important and most misunderstood topics in the Agentforce Salesforce certification exam. Most people know what it is, but struggle when the exam tests how it actually powers AI, automation, and real-time insights in Agentforce. If you're preparing for the certification, this video will help you connect the dots quickly. In the next few minutes, you'll go through realistic practice questions, see how Data Cloud works in real scenarios, and understand exactly how these questions appear in the exam. In our previous video, we covered Salesforce AI prompt engineering. If you missed it, check the link on your screen. Now, let's move into Data Cloud for Agentforce, where the focus is on unifying data from multiple sources to enable AI-driven insights and actions, reinforced through the following exam-style question. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of using Data Cloud within Agentforce in a Salesforce environment? A. Store system configuration data only. B. Unify customer data from multiple sources. C. Replace Salesforce CRM completely. D. Manage user authentication processes. Pause and think about the best option. Correct answer: B. Unify customer data from multiple sources. Explanation: Data Cloud brings together data from multiple systems into a single unified view. This helps organizations better understand customers and enables more effective AI-driven insights and automation. Question 2. How does Data Cloud help improve Salesforce AI capabilities when used within Agentforce solutions? A. Limit access to important data. B. Store only historical system logs. C. Disable automation workflows. D. Provide real-time unified data for AI. Pause and think about the best option. The correct answer is C. Service endpoint. Explanation: Service endpoints extend the VNet identity to Azure services, allow access restriction based on the subnet, and still operate through public endpoints. A private endpoint would remove public access entirely, which does not meet the requirement. If you're serious about passing the Agentforce Salesforce certification, practicing with real exam-style questions is one of the most effective strategies. Many candidates use Prepbolt practice questions to strengthen their understanding of Data Cloud, Salesforce AI, and other certification topics. Now let's continue. Question 3. What is a major outcome or benefit of implementing Data Cloud in an Agentforce setup? A. Fragmented customer data. B. Unified customer profiles. C. Reduced data accuracy. D. Manual data processing. Pause and think about the best option. Correct answer: B. Unified customer profiles. Explanation: By combining data from multiple sources, Data Cloud creates a single, consistent customer profile. This unified view improves decision-making, personalization, and overall customer experience. Question 4. In the context of Data Cloud for Agentforce, what does the term data activation specifically refer to? A. Trigger insights and actions from data. B. Store data in external systems. C. Delete duplicate records. D. Encrypt customer data. Pause and think about the best option. Correct answer: A. Trigger insights and actions from data. Explanation: Data activation means turning unified data into meaningful actions. This includes triggering workflows, generating insights, and enabling personalized experiences based on real-time information. Question 5. Which types of data sources can be integrated into Data Cloud when working with Agentforce? A. Only Salesforce CRM data. B. Only third-party external data. C. Both Salesforce and external data. D. Only structured data formats. Pause and think about the best option. Correct answer: C. Both Salesforce and external data. Explanation: Data Cloud supports integration from both Salesforce and external systems. This allows organizations to create a complete customer view by combining internal and external data sources. In this session, we explored AZ700 practice questions on private access, a key part of designing secure Azure services. If this helped you master private access, hit like and subscribe for the next deep dive. For structured practice, I recommend Prepbolt's scenario-based AZ700 questions. They simulate real exam scenarios and sharpen your decision-making. Next time, we'll cover monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimizing Azure networking, another critical AZ700 domain. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and keep building toward your Azure Network Engineer Associate certification. See you in the next session.